Let me tell you about our AI journey, which probably some of you would not know. There is this lecture series which is arranged by Niti Aayog. Every year, I think it's twice or thrice a year, all joint secretary and above level officers were invited to a lecture on artificial intelligence, its applications, and where does India stand as far as AI is concerned. What struck me, the lecture was in fact very interesting, but what struck me in the lecture is when the speaker said that India may have already missed the bus. And that is something which, as an educationist, I felt is something we should not take lying down. That's when I came back to CBSE, and the two of my driving forces who are here, Dr. Biswajit Saha, our Director Training, and Dr. Joseph Emmanuel, right here, who is our Director Academics. I spoke to them and they said, we will make this dream a reality. We will introduce AI in the curriculum, and we started working on it. We met Shweta, and that's how history began. And we, being an examination conducting body, we really do not have the expertise each time to develop this kind of curriculum. And AI, of course, there was no question that we had the expertise. That's when Shweta and team walked in, and it was such a pleasant meeting with them when in the first meeting they said, we'll do it for you. What is the problem? I said, oh my God, this is a historic moment. They helped us develop the curriculum, and then to take it further, the best thing that they did was this fast tracking with these schools. So this whole idea of doing these pilot workshops, fast tracking the curriculum with certain schools and seeing where it takes them, this idea was developed, and this is what we have today. So I was talking to these kids, and I was asking them what happened before and what happened after. What has the curriculum done to you? Has it opened your horizons? What does it do to you? And the children are very frank in accepting the fact that they were scared of things like coding. They didn't know whether they would be able to actually do it. One child mentioned that the best thing about this whole curriculum is that we are exposed to SDGs. Now, this is something unique. We don't do it in our curriculum otherwise. We may be doing it in project work, etc., but some schools take it up, others don't. But here, the curriculum includes SDGs, and I think, the impact which that portion of the curriculum has had on their minds, and also the culturally relevant locations and lives and societies that they come from, each project is so amazing. And while I was talking to these kids, I realized that aside from giving them this competency of coding, of AI, etc., I think the main competency that we have given them, or a value system, is the courage to take risks, and that power to feel that, yes, I will be able to take something forward on my own. This is what this country needs. These children are going to be nation builders. It's a huge, huge contribution we are doing to the nation through this curriculum. So what we felt is that why don't we integrate AI in education, in the pedagogical process itself. In an AI integrated curriculum, it is not necessary that the class or the teacher would be teaching AI. The class or the teacher would be learning history with the help of AI, would be learning geography or mathematics with the help of AI. So it would be a pedagogical integration. We are really looking forward to this. So this is another feather in our cap in CBSE. In the end, I would just like to say that it's been a long journey for the CBSE. We are 90 years old as on 1st of July. In 90 years, when we started out in 1929, 1st July, we had exactly 29 schools with us. In 90 years, we have 22,000 schools. We have more than 1.2 million teachers with us. We have about 20 million children with us. We have expanded a lot. And the more we expand, the more difficult we find, handling all our schools, handling the data, handling a lot of things. Now, with the kind of projects that I saw today, and I was noticing, the last one which I saw was really interesting, where this child has, you ask a question, and the question crawls through the textbook and detects an answer. Similarly, I found things like the MedBot, things like the drone, and things like that, which you can use in the schools. Wastage of food in the canteen. My God, one would never have thought of it. So these kind of things is the future, and this is what is going to help us do better school management, better examination management, better curriculum management. So I look forward to this AI-ridden future. Thank you.